Alright guys, have you ever used onion in getting rid of dental plaque? Well, this onion is loaded with nutrients that would help to remove or soften plaque, and it's going to help to remove all of your dental plaque. Okay, so we're also going to be needing baking soda. Now, mixing baking soda with onion juice is going to work really fine in removing all of your dental plaque, tartar, decay, and mouth odor. Okay, and using baking soda for the teeth has to be once in a week, okay, so as to preserve your gum. And then you're going to be putting in a little bit of Colgate toothpaste. Okay, apple cider vinegar is going to be required in this dental plaque remedy, okay, because it contains a whitening property that helps to whiten up the teeth. Using apple cider vinegar on the teeth every day is not advisable. Just once in a week for the purpose of brightening up the teeth and also removing dental plaque. Once in a week, guys, okay? Otherwise your gum and your tooth enamel is going to be affected. So once in a week is going to be perfect. And you have to use apple cider vinegar that contains the mother in it, and it is organic and unfiltered. So we're going to divide this into two, and then we're going to prepare half of the onion. Now we're going to cut this in pieces. Then we're going to transfer that into the bowl. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking half cup of baking soda into this onion, and it's going to make the color of the onion actually changes in color. You can see that it's already changing. So it has changed from the white to this brown that you're seeing right now. It's actually going to change even more. So now we're going to be putting in the paste. So here is the blended onion. Any onions, guys, you can actually use any onions, be it white onions or red. Okay, okay, so then I added up half cup of apple cider vinegar, which I've already done so, but my battery died, so I had to do this so you guys can see, because I know some of you guys will be like, oh, you didn't put this. So I had to put it again, and then it always gets this reaction. Okay, And now you stir these ingredients all up together and stir it really well. Make sure everything mix up together properly, okay, so it can actually blend very well. Alright, after that is done, guys, so you're going to use this once in a week, and you shouldn't store it, because when you store it, it's gonna go dark because of the onion, okay. And this is actually very healthy. All of the ingredients in here are natural and very healthy, okay. And this is how it looks like once in a week, and do not store it. Dental plaque, for me, I don't know if I'm having a good dental. Let me know at the comment section. Alright, so I'm gonna be using my toothbrush. I'm gonna grab this. Ouch, it's dropping. Ouch, this is dropping. Okay guys, so I have to grab much of that and brush your teeth with it. Let me tell you how it tastes. It tastes friendly. It doesn't taste bad. And there's not too much of this. Let's go. This is basically how I brush my teeth on a normal day. Then here. And then here. This is actually very good. Brush, you have to spit it out, and then you brush your back. Alright, so the most important thing about this whole hair is your tongue. After you've actually maintained your teeth, your tongue, so you brush it out in a circular motion. When you brush, you have to like cough in case you have some tonsil stone hiding behind your tonsils or in your tonsils, okay. When you cough, like kind of cough, you know, like that, it would, you know, come out, you know, without even using anything to bring it out. It will just automatically or normally or freely or easily come out, okay. So I can see my tongue is actually not looking white anymore, so I have to brush again. Alright, so here's my tongue. Very clean, like very clean. Your tongue must not be white, and my teeth sparkling. And see that? So you can use this 2 times in a week, okay, because